last class I have not saved the programs. Today we discuss some examples regarding the digits. In last class also we are discussing some examples regarding the digits. Today also we discuss some examples regarding the digits. So the different problems, today we discuss different problems. Program for reverse a given number. So how to reverse a given number? So today's question. So I will give the number 1, suppose. I want to reverse such a number. Suppose if I given 123, so we need the output is 123, then the output 321. How to reverse a number? So actually, last digit will comes to the first position. Actually, last digit will come to the first position. After that, the second number is combined with the first number. Actually, initially 3 is in first position, one's position. When 2 comes, 3 is 10th position or 2 is one's position. So that you simply multiply the position by 10. When you multiply the position by 10, we get the value. So first we will get the 3. Actually 3 is in first position, one's position. When you get the 2, 3 will be in 10th position. So that means 3 becomes 30. So when 3 becomes 30, when you multiply by 10. So then when you multiply by 10, 3 into 10, 30 plus 2, 32. When once comes 32 will becomes 320. When 32 will becomes 320, so again it is necessary to multiply by 10. When you multiply by 10 with 32 into 10, 320 plus 1, 321. So this is my question. How to do such a problem? First of all, you have to read one number n. So we need input, integer value. So input, enter a number. Enter a number. Initially, there is no reverse number. I will put 0, reverse number. While the given number is positive, while n greater than 0. Then, so whenever the condition occurs, you put the colon. Then only indentation will be changed. Otherwise, there is indentation cannot be changed. That's why you must put the colon after the condition. So while n greater than 0, yes, you get. So how to get the digit? R equal to n mod 10. So you multiply reverse number equal to reverse number into 10. N double slash equal to 10. Already told in yesterday class. Same concept. So first line and third line are the same. Only the difference is that. Then I will print the reverse number. Suppose if I give 123, sorry. Reverse number equal to reverse number 10 plus R. Suppose I will give 123, you get 321. So this is the way to reverse a given number. So how to reverse a number? So reverse number, actually we reverse how to reverse a number. So reverse, suppose I want to reverse a number, actually you must change the positions. Actually third, first position becomes the 10th position, 10th after 100 position, like this will position will, the last digit will be changed always. That's way you multiply the position by 10. When you multiply the position by 10, the positions of the number will be changed. This is the way. చూడండి, కొన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో కూడా మిమ్మల్ని ఓన్లీ లాజిక్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటారమ్మా. నేర్చుకోవాలి మీరు. ఎందుకని అంటున్నాము అంటే, సో ఒక్కోసారి చిన్న చిన్న క్వశ్చన్లు అడుగుతారు. అంటే మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వచ్చేస్తారు. ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత యాక్చువల్గా ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కాబట్టి, సో వాడు ఏంటంటే మళ్ళీ నిన్ను ఒక టెక్నికల్ క్వశ్చన్ లాగా అడుగుతాడు. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయగలవా, లాజిక్ రాయగలవా అంటాడు. అలాంటప్పుడు మీరు రాయగలగాల. అందుకని ఇవి కూడా చెప్తున్నాను అన్నమాట మీకు. సో ఇలాంటివి కూడా చాలా అవసరమవుతుంది మీకు. సో అందుకని program to determine the given number is palindrome or not. I will give one number. You determine whether the given number is palindrome or not. So that number, so whenever I give the number, that number is palindrome or not, you have to determine. How to, so same, so palindrome means reverse number is equal to the given number. Actually palindrome means example 121. Yes, 121 is a palindrome. So when you reverse this number, again we get the 121. That's why the reverse number is equal to the given number, then it will be called as it is a palindrome. So, this is some little modification of previous program. Actually in previous program we written, so that to reverse a given number, last class previous program we write, this is the program. This program is used for to determine, to reverse a given number. After reverse the given number, you have to check the given number is equal, reverse number is equal to the given number or not. If the result of the reverse number is equal to the given number, then it is a palindrome. Otherwise it is not a palindrome. n greater than 0, you put colon. So whenever you put the colon, then the indentation will be changed. Otherwise, the indentation will not be changed. That's why you put colon. So first you get the digit. How will you get the digit? R equal to n mod 10. When you use the mod operator, we'll get the digits. Then reverse it. Reverse number equal to reverse number into 10 plus R. Then take quotient n double slash equal to 10. So this is the reverse number. If reverse number is equal to given number, print palindrome. Else print not palindrome. So this is the question. We cannot get the answer actually. So we'll get the not palindrome answer because there is some logical mistake. I'll show why it is. Suppose I give 121, not palindrome. Actually 121 is a palindrome, but I got the not palindrome. If I give not palindrome, again it's not palindrome, correct. But palindrome also we get the not palindromes. What is the reason? Where is the mistake? Yes, n value is n value becomes 0. Yes. Actually, when you divide the number by 10 continuously, the loop will become exit whenever the n value becomes 0. That's way. So that's way we have to save the n value into another variable. Yes, correct. So actually here with the reason is so when you divide a number with 10 continuously, we can exit from the loop whenever n value becomes k. After that, we are comparing the reverse number with n. Actually, n becomes 0 because we are continuously dividing the n value by 10. So then we can exit from the loop when n becomes 0. That's right. So for this purpose, you must write the n value. You can store n value into another variable. So where I can store n value into another variable? Yes, before loop. If you put after the loop, you cannot get the answer. If you put before the loop, then only we'll get the correct answer. If you put after the loop, no change, no need actually. So that's why s equal to n. I will store the number in s also. So here I will check if the reverse number is equal to yes. So I will read the number and I can store that number in another variable because whatever the number I will give into the variable, that variable we can divide that value by 10 continuously until the value becomes 0. Finally, the value contained in the variable is 0. That's why we are getting the wrong answer. So for this purpose, 121 S palindrome. So this is the question. This is the way. not palindrome. So this is the way to palindrome or not. Actually, the first program and second programs are same. We simply add one more line. That's all. When you add one more line, then we get the palindrome. Actually, the first question is to reverse a number. The second question is so palindrome. Only program name is changed, but the logic is completely same. So after reversing the number, we can add some more lines to for palindrome. That's all. So any program will have. So if it is a digit problem, you must write so mod and quotient slash. So these two lines are necessary. Otherwise, you cannot get the answers. One is mod, another is double slash. When you write like this, then only we can get. We can go for another example. Program for unique number or not. Program for unique number or not. So I will give one number and determine whether the given number is unique or not. How? How will get? What is unique number? Reverse number is equal to 9 times of given number. Example, 1089 9801. So what is reverse number? Reverse number is equal to the 9 times of the given number. When the reverse number is equal to the 9 times of the given number, then the number is called as a unique number. Otherwise, the number is not called as a unique number. Okay. N equal to integer input, enter a number. I'll store the number into the variable n. I'll make reverse number equal to 0 while n greater than 0, while n greater than 0 or equal to n mod 10. Reverse number equal to reverse number into 10 plus r. 10 double slash equal to 10. So this is, again you check if reverse number is equal to the 9 times of given number. Given number is s. Then reverse number is equal to the 9 times of the given number. Then print. So I'll give the number. I'll store that number into another variable. So then we are using the reverse number logic again. After reversing the number, you check the reverse number is equal to the 9 times of the given number or not. If the reverse number is equal to the 9 times of the given number, 9 times means 9 into s. That's it. If the reverse number is equal to the 9 times of the given number, then the number is unique. Otherwise, the number is not a unique. 1089, unique number 980. Always you test both the sides. Not unique number. So this is the question. This is about unique. So this question today I will explain one more question. This question asked so last year or before year in Virtusa program to determine the given number is jumping number or not. Program this is asked in last year Virtusa or before year of Virtusa. They asked this question. Program to determine the given number is jumping number or not. So what is jumping number? The difference of between two consecutive digits either 1 or -1. చూడండి program to determine the given number is jumping number or not. నేను ఒక డిజిట్ ఇస్తాను, ఆ డిజిట్ అనేది జంపింగ్ ఒక నెంబర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 123. Yes, it is jumping number because the difference between 1 and 2 -1, 2 and 3 -1. Yes, it's a jumping number. If you give 125, it's not. 125 not jumping number. How we get? How we find the given number is jumping number or not? What is the logic? You understand what is the logic? Actually, so you take the digit. So again you get the second digit also. After getting the second digit, you define the difference of two digits. When the difference of two digits is -1 or 1, then it is a jumping number. Otherwise, it is not a jumping number actually. So what we can do? If you go for a list, if you put the values in a list, so I will get the continuous number. I will take the number. I will take the number 123. I will put all the digits in a list. Then I will compare the difference of elements, difference of between the two elements. There are different logics actually. So one logic is this is one logic. What is the logic? So I will take I will put all the numbers, all the digits into a list and compare the elements of a list, whether the difference is 1 or -1. Whether the difference is 1 or -1, then it is a jumping number. Otherwise, it's not a jumping number. That is one method. Another method is so you take the first digit. When second digit will come, compare the second digit with respect to the first digit, find the difference. So if the difference is -1, so you make it as a jumping number. Otherwise, you cannot make it as a jumping number. So that is another logic. So this actually for this we first of all we put all the elements in a list. So the easiest way is you put all the digits in a list. That is one method. You put all the digits. Actually, we get the 3, 2, 1. You put all the elements in a list. After putting the elements in a list, you compare the elements of the list. So first element with respect to the its next element. You compare them. So you compare them. So when the difference is -1, you treat it as a jumping number. If the difference is not -1, it's not a jumping number. So you take the digit. So this is simply some difference of the previous questions. So yeah, we know the digits actually. Here only difference is you find the difference between the two digits, continuous digits. The difference between the two continuous digits is either 1 or -1. Then we treat it as a jumping number. How to put the elements in a so you put in the elements in a list. So you take the element L dot append. So when you write L dot append, you will put the elements in a list. So okay, I will write them. Integer of input. So I think you better to try this problem. You better to try. If you are not getting the answer, tomorrow I will explain it, because this one already asked them. So you better to try this. If they try them, if there is tomorrow, I will explain again this problem, whether it is jumping number or how to write it, because you put the elements in a list. So in order to put the elements in a list, first of all you have to declare the list equal to one empty bracket. Suppose you want to put the element in a list L dot append equal to whatever the value, suppose that is R. When you put like this, automatically the element is put into the list. So this is the function. So first of all, you have to declare the list. So how will you declare the list? First of all, you have to declare the list. How will you declare the list means? So what is you? We already know that. So we already know. So list, all the elements of a list are enclosed in one square brackets. So suppose we want to put, so you have to write L dot append. So you suppose you want to put the elements, you have to write L dot append. What are the value you put? You just put. That's enough. Then R is appended into the list. That's enough. Once you can put all the elements in a list, then you have to compare for loop by using for loop. So I'll already, so actually you don't know, some students, actually EC students also there. So they don't know how to declare a list and how to put the element into a list. That's why I explained this part. So you put L equal to square brackets. When you put L equal to square brackets, that will be treated as list declaration. I want to add an element into the list. You have to put L dot append. L dot append R. That means R is appended into the list. Once you can get all the elements, how to access elements? So we know that L of I. L of I. L of I means, so we get the list element. Suppose you want first element L of 0. The second element you want L of 1. The third element you want L of 2. Like this we can use how accessing the elements of a list. You better to try this problem in your home. So tomorrow I will explain how to do such a problem. Okay. Okay, bye. Do you have any doubts? Doubt for this problem? Is there any doubt for this problem? Ask me. Okay. So you better to practice this problem. Try this problem. I will explain tomorrow this problem also. Actually, time is not sufficient because there is only 4 to 5 minutes of time is there. Actually, that 5 minutes is not sufficient for this problem. That's why I'm not started this problem. You try this problem. I will explain on Monday.